Hello everyone. So this is one of the simplest, fastest recipes ever, but I swear this is something I cook almost every week. It's amazing. It's a very cheap plate. You need 2 lemons, even less than 2 lemons. These are quite big. Some lemon juice if you have it. Doesn't matter if you don't. You can the lemon if they're quite juicy. They're enough. Garlic. You need quite a bit of garlic, like at least 3 pieces. Rosemary. Bit of ginger. And chicken. This can be chicken breast, like this one, or it can be chicken pieces. Any piece is fine, as long as it has just some chicken parts on. And it would be better actually if you had some skin, because it gives a bit of a stronger taste at the end of the cooking. But it doesn't matter if you just have this. So, how are we going to do this? Pot. We first put the garlic inside. So, doesn't even have to be without skin. Even garlic skin is fine. I mean, if it doesn't come off, it doesn't matter. Get a knife. Squeeze the garlic like we normally do. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no, 4. Little tiny one doesn't count. Piece of ginger. Just one big piece. It doesn't have to be refined or anything. Just throw in like that. Yeah. So once you have this, fill it with water, and you can actually, but no, it's enough. Start maximum heat. You have to start quite quickly. Cut the chicken. Just give it a few pieces. They don't have to be small. So if you cut it just in half like this, inside, extra piece inside. That's it. Squeeze the lemon. All of it. This is quite a juicy lemon, so I could just squeeze it with my hands. Otherwise, help yourselves with some tools. Same thing here. Okay, this amount of chicken was a bit little, so what I'm gonna do is just keep 1.5, and I'll keep this lemon, half a lemon, for something else another time. Okay, lemon juice. And the good thing about this chicken is it's even good for diets, because it doesn't have any butter or oil at all. It cooks in its own fat, and that's more than enough. And then a little bit of rosemary. Be generous with it. Just pieces like that. There you go. Salt. There you have it. Now the secret about this one, otherwise it will just taste like boiled chicken, is that, you see, I literally put chicken to boil in water with all those ingredients. But the most important thing is that you let the chicken cook until all the water is out. So when the water finishes, so don't put a cover, let it overboil. Once the chicken is ready, it's only when you see that there is this amount of water left at the bottom, which will basically be sauce, because it will become quite a dense yellow sauce from the lemon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.